Hello guys, we're gonna show you today how to find a exhaust leak from the manifold or the catalytic convertible. This is the easiest way just by using a vacuum. We're gonna just put a vacuum hose there and blower and put air in it without turn the engine on. So the engine must be cooled down at all, okay? It must be cooled off, okay? So that way you don't get burned. Okay, so let's go get started. Okay, this is a 2002 GMC Sierra 1500, but you can do this process with any other vehicle, car or truck. This is the vacuum that we're gonna use today. We're gonna use the blower side, so we can put air into the exhaust right here pipe. We're gonna put some tape around it so it won't disconnect the hose from the blower into the exhaust. Okay, all we need is a soap with water, or you can just really just by putting the air, you're gonna just notice the air coming out of the lines from the exhaust. I mean, that's gonna be enough just with the air. You don't need really water and soap. But if it's really small leak, yeah, you needed the water and soap. But right now, we're gonna start checking all the joints here, because that's what normally gets when we get the leaks from. So I'm gonna tell my friend to crank the to start the to turn on the vacuum. Let's go and see what we heard. Okay. All right. Here, as you can hear, I'm gonna just let you hear the leaks right here all over the pipes before the converter catalytic right there. It's another leak. I already put a mark on each leak. So basically it's a few leaks on this truck. If you wanna put the water and soap, it's all the way on top, so you can really tell, but you can feel it with your hand. Okay, you can tell they're all over the lines, all the way from the just right before the catalytic converter, all the way to the end of the exhaust. Okay, there are like 10 leaks. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna send it to the shop, to the muffler shop, and see if they can repair it. Okay, otherwise they need to replace the whole line, the whole exhaust pipes. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. I think that would be the best way to find leaks on your exhaust, because you don't have to turn the engine on at all. So do not turn your engine on at all from your car or truck. What you gotta have is just the vacuum, just connected by the blower outlet, and put it in by the exhaust pipe, and you'll be good to go. Okay, otherwise you wanna get burning if you wanna do this with the engine hot. So do not have the engine hot at all. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of how to find exhaust leaks the easiest way. Okay. Alright, so that's it, guys. I already locate all the leaks, so I'm gonna just take it to the shop and let the guys know about all this, and then see if they can repair. Okay, I'm gonna turn the vacuum off, and then I'm gonna take it to the shop, and that's it. That's it for today. Hopefully you enjoy the video, but this is the best way to find leaks in your exhaust. Okay, all the way from the engine to all the way to at the end of the pipe at the exhaust. Alright, that's it. Have a nice day, guys. Questions, comment below. See you next time.